Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Jerry, and this channel is dedicated to all things wood related. Bigelow Woodcraft is the name of the channel. A lot of sawmill videos, but a lot of little odds and end videos of things I do, you know, firewood or chestnut tree planting. Hey, if you haven't checked that that video out of me planting a bunch of American chestnuts, go ahead and check it out. Me and my grandson, he's the pick. So it didn't do real well for some reason, but I really enjoyed making the video. But I have a 16-foot, 6-inch spalted maple. Well, I don't know if it's spalted. It's been sitting on the ground for about a year. And at the big end, it's 12 inches. Small end, you won't be able to see it down here, but it's 10 inches. Big end is 12 inches, small end it's 10 inches, 16 foot, 6 inches. And I need some 3/4 inch boards for this. So we're going to get those going. Before we do, guys, you know, we're talking about my videos, and where I mentioned my videos and the types of videos I make. Sawmill videos, firewood mill videos, you know, just homesteading videos around here. You know, I follow guys on YouTube. I follow a few big guys, but most of the guys I follow are small YouTubers, small channels. For instance, these last two channels I just started, well, one of my favorite channels is Every Day With Me, Nick. And I'll put a link to his description, or to his channel in the description. He's in the UK, I believe. And great guy, great channel. Nice, about a little bit bigger than my channel, a couple thousand subscribers. Does a lot of the same thing. Go subscribe to him. But these two new guys I started following, I really enjoy their videos. I'm going to give them a shout out. We're going to help see, maybe we can help them grow. If you like my kind of stuff, you'll probably like their stuff. The one is Twin City Firewood. He's a young man, hardworking young man. I'm going to guess maybe early 30s, late 20s, early 30s. Real humble young man, it appears on camera. And go check his Firewood channel out. He's pretty interesting. I do enjoy his. And the other channel I really enjoy is Allen Family Firewood. If you haven't checked them out, go check him out. Both these channels are smaller than mine, but you know, we're a small channel too. Let's see if we can get them up to 1,000 subscribers here in the near future. See if we can get them monetized. I think they're doing good work, and if you enjoy my channel, I assume you probably will too. So I just wanted to give a shout out to those guys. Nick, Every Day With Me, Nick, Twin City Firewood, and Allen Family Firewood. Those are the three channels I really enjoy. You know, the smaller guys, you can get to you get to know these guys. And Every Day With Me, Nick, we talk a lot. We speak on different apps, you know, and talk back and forth to each other, and we support each other's channel immensely, and he really has helped my channel a lot. So see if we can give back a little bit. So we're going to get this 16-foot, 6-inch maple cut up, 3/4 inch boards. This morning I went for a ride to a guy down the road. A quote for some checking out some wood he has. So I'm going to pick up some logs from him. I'll be milling those for him, but that won't be till next week. So I'm going to get this going. The mill's warmed up. Everything should be good to go. What I say? 3/4 inch. So here we go. I really don't think I'm going to be wearing this sweatshirt too much longer. It's supposed to be getting in the mid-70s today. It's heating up. It's probably upper 50s right now, so maybe another few minutes. I'm just gonna peel a little of this bark off because right here is pretty dirty. There we go, that's what I was looking for. There's where the power feed and up-down power feed shine. When I can stack them all up like this and then pick them up with my trailer or tractor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 at 72 inches. We're going to cover 96. So we got another. Okay. Maple log number 2, 12 foot, a little better than 12 foot, I believe I cut it. Same thing here, but this is my last blade and I hope I can get through this log, but I'm not sure. If I can, I show you the whole thing. Let's measure it though. It's 11 inches, so a little over a 7-inch cant, so I'm going to make it an 8-inch cant. 12 feet 9 inches, so 0.707, remember that, times, or 0.7 times your diameter, and that will give you your cant size. And if you leave a little weighting on it, you can get a little bit more. So I'm going to get an 8-inch cant out of this. That's the plan. I have the stop set to 8. So I can lower all the way down to 8 and I'll just clear these. So that would be perfect. We're all set. Let's get this going. Let's see how it cuts. It is getting a little dull. I just checked it, but I'm going to try to power through. Too dull. I don't want to wreck this blade. It was getting bogged down in some hard spots in that log. I don't have to sharpen it. I got a couple brand new ones left. So I'll go get a brand new blade here. Oop. Like I said, this is where it shines. I'll just start plane sawing it all down. Scoop it up with the forks. I think it looks pretty good, guys. Look at that nice spalting right there. Well, that'll do it, guys. It's starting to warm up. I'm going to go in for lunch. I think I have enough of these. It'll be close. But now I need about the same amount in white pine. And I do have some logs over there. I got to span 12 linear feet. Won't be quite this much. This had to span 16 linear feet. So, yeah, probably 2/3 this. So I think I have enough white pine to do that. So I'll show you that too in a separate video. But guys, take care. Have a great day. And don't forget to check out those few channels I was mentioning. what was it? Twin City Firewood and Allen Family Firewood. And my buddy Nick, with Everyday with Me, Nick. Check those 3 channels out. You know, I prefer the smaller channels over the bigger channels. There's a couple, like I said, a couple big channels I like to watch, but for the most part, I like to see what guys like me are doing. Not necessarily the superstars that have all the money that can buy anything they want. The old saying goes like this: use it up, wear it out, make it do or do without. And that's kind of how my channel runs. It took me a long time to remember that saying. Use it up, wear it out, make it do or do without. I think that was something from World War II. So anyhow, take care, guys. We'll see you at the mill next time. Canada goose. Oh yeah, here they come.